Good morning, children. So, I'm here back with you all to teach you English literature. So, in the last video, we have done with the exercise. Now, the next part of the exercise of the poem Froggies at the School. So, take out, children, your English literature book and take out page number 50. Page number 50. Yesterday we have done in the last video page number 48 and 49. These match the columns and these choose the correct answers. And circle the letter O in these words. So these three exercises we have completed till now. Now we will be moving to page number 50. Now see here. On page number 50, C part. Say these words aloud. Notice the sound at the end of each word. Now, can you see the words here? These are the words given in the rectangle. Now, one by one, I will be reading this loudly and you have to repeat with me. Turn, climb, stern, cling, class, clove, burn, fern. Again I am repeating. Turn, climb, stern, cling, class, clove, burn, fern. So these are the words given here. Now what we have to do is, which word end in the sound you hear in the word earn? E-A-R-N, earn. So here you have to listen again the words and then you have to think about that which word is ending with E-A-R-N, earn, no. Here you are listening the sound earn, no. The spelling is E-A-R-N, but earn, no. So the words which are ending with this are turn, then stern, burn and fern. I have written here. You can just write it over here which are the words which are ending with this sound earn. Turn, stern, burn, fern. Now come to the next question. Which words begin with the sound you hear in the word clash? Clash. Now k. Here the sound is k. Now again from these words you can see climb, k, then cling, k, class, k, clove. What are the words? Class, clove, climb and cling. K. Got it? Now come to the next part, that is D. Now here you have to take out your crayons. Colors you have to take out. And now what you have to do is color these balloons. Use the same color for the word that sound the same. Now here are given some words and you have to think and you have to listen carefully the words which sound they are having. Those words you have to color with same. Those having the same sound you have to color the same color. Like you can see in this picture I have colored. I will first read all the words for you. Stern, strive, school, turn, dive, clean, pool and green. So these are the words given in the balloon. Now, first we will start with stern. Stern. What you see with stern is N. Turn. Turn. Got it? Then, the next strive. Strive, dive. W. In these both N. Here these both W. Strive. W. School. Pool. School, pool. Oo. The word is oo. Then clean. green, clean, green, N. So, the N words are, here are 4 words you can see at earn, stern, turn, earn. The R is silent. Clean and green is also the words which are having N sound. So here are 4 words, but here in these 2 words the sound is same and the last 2 letters RN and RN are same. But here clean and green, E A N, clean, green, N. Only N is there. Turn, earn, RN is there. Clean, N is there. Dive, strive, IVE. School, pool, OOL. Got it? So these are here you have to choose any 3 colors of your choice and you can color the similar words with the similar sounds they are giving to us. Now, the last thing it is given, form groups of 4, learn the poem by heart and recite it. Now, you don't have to form any group and all. Only thing you have to learn the poem, the 8 lines of this poem again, and then it can be asked in your exam. So, you have to learn the poem, 8 lines of the poem Froggies at the School. It is given here, page number 47. These are the 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you have to learn the 8 lines like you have given in the unit test, the 8 lines of the squirrel. Now here also you will learn the poem Froggies at School. Got it, children? So for this much is there in this video. Copy down in your books, and then in the next video we will start with the question answers. So till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you. Now here is one more video for you I have made. In this there are some corrections which I made is I have given you the question and answers of lesson number 5, Froggies at the School. So in answer number 3, here I wrote small I. It will be capital I because it's a pronoun. And wherever we write I, it will be capital because of its pronoun. Whenever we use I in a sentence, it will be capital. This was my mistake. So I commit my mistake and I am correcting it as capital I. Then one more spelling mistake was there. The last question, the answer number 4, have, are, discipline, punctuality, neatness and tidiness. So this was the spelling. Sorry, by mistaken I have done this. The correct spelling is TIDINESS, tidiness. So please do the following corrections in your copy. So thank you and have a nice day.